How to fix your account was permanently banned due to multiple violations of our community guidelines. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can fix your TikTok getting banned. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. So if your TikTok has gotten banned but you have not violated any of the community guidelines and you're not sure what to do, this video is for you. So the first step that I recommend you guys to take is head over to your web browser. Any web browser should be fine. And on the web browser, simply search for TikTok support. After you search for TikTok support, you can open up this website, that is support.tiktok.com. And on the website, what you can do is right here, you will see different topics, as you can see. Now, under safety right here or using TikToks, there are a lot of different options. There you'll find report a problem. Simply tap on it. And after you tap on report a problem, you can again tap on report a problem here. And after you tap on report a problem, here it will show you guys the method to report a problem, but inside of a TikTok app. But since our TikTok account is banned currently, we can't do that. So let's just contact them through the online reporting form. Tap on the online reporting form here and it will take you to this another site. So right here, all you now have to do is choose your topic, account ban and suspension. After you choose that, right here you will see update your app to the latest version. Tap on the profile and go through this process, but let's just go through it with here. So let's just choose general account inquiry. Under category, here you can choose your banned account. And now you'll need to type in your username here, your contact email associated to your account. And after that, simply add the details here, such as why your account was banned. And since you have not violated any of the community guidelines, you can write that here as well. So type that in here and make sure that you make it such that it's a misunderstanding and just request them to help you recover your account. After that, here just accept the terms and conditions and tap on submit. After that, TikTok will get back to you and your problem should get fixed. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more and bye bye.